Hi everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll take you through the Zengo wallet app installation process in today's tutorial. To begin, open the Play Store on your device. Tap on the search bar at the top. Finally, type Zengo wallet. Then tap on search. This is the application that we're going to be downloading. Simply tapping on the install icon will start the installation process. Allow it to begin downloading. Once the download is finished, tap on Open. You can now access the application by logging in or enrolling following the instructions provided. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.